In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Discord stock on starting screen. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is completely close the Discord app. For that, double-click on the taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Now head over to the section Processes. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Discord and search for it. Once the option appears, double-click on it and select the option End Task. Now I can try to launch the Discord. Your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is search for Discord. Now click on the option Run as Administrator. Now let's jump into next process, that is search for run. Now here type in %appdata% and click on OK. Here you're gonna find the folder Discord, launch it. Under that you're gonna find these folder, code cache, and GPU code. Select these and delete it. Now try to launch the Discord. If the solution didn't work out for you, what you wanna do is close this, launch your settings app, navigate to the option apps. Now head over to the section installed apps, search for Discord and uninstall it. Now what you want to do is close this, search for run, type in %appdata% and search for it. Now search for the folder Discord, delete it. Next up, search for run, type in %local_appdata%. Now here find the folder Discord. Delete this folder as well. Now, launch your Microsoft Store, search for the app Discord, then install this app. With these, your problem will be fixed. Now, Discord should work properly in your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.